Today's the long-awaited day. Swimming fun is on the way. With Teacher Spino by our side, into the water we will glide. Goggles on to keep eyes bright. Everything is feeling right. Hearts go thump with happy cheer. Friends are gathering here. Warm-up time, come on and play. 1, 2, 3 for today. Stretch your arms and stretch your feet. Move your body to the beat. Splash, splash in the water. Happy swimming time. With Teacher Spino beside us, there is nothing scary now. Kicking in the water now. Splashing strong and learning how. Hold the wall and stretch out long. Water sparkles all along. Holding kickboard, moving slow. Forward, forward, here we go. Tiny legs together strong, pushing us and moving on. Splash, splash in the water. Happy swimming time. With Teacher Spino beside us, we are getting better now. Relax body, nice and light. Floating softly feels just right. Lying gently on the waves. See the ceiling overhead. Very good, the teacher says, smiling warmly with high praise. Brave again, we try once more. We can do it, that is sure. We are airplanes in the sea, zooming through so happily. Our legs are giant wings that fly, moving strong and reaching high. Our arms spin like engines bright, turning with our strength and might. Fear goes drifting far away. Bravery will lead the way. Hold the kickboard, move your hands, one by one, just as we planned. Right hand, left hand, left hand. Face goes gently in the pool. Turn your head and breathe with care. Take it slowly, learn step by step. There, splash, splash in the water. Joyful swimming time. With Teacher Spino beside us, we are growing every day. Sometimes water fills our nose. Sometimes swimming feels unknown. That's okay, we try again. Little steps will help us win. Laughing with our friends nearby, cheering each other as we try. Never giving up inside makes us strong with hearts of pride.